Things you will learn when doing mathematics. Polar coordinates.
In the future, you're going to meet polar coordinates. So you're used to the x, y coordinates. So you can reference any point on this graph by stating the x coordinate. So this point can be given as the x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is 3. So you can reference any point on this graph by stating the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Now in polar form, you only need two things. You can reference any point on here by stating the radius and the angle. So for example, let's say you're a polar bear and you want to reference everything in terms of the radius and the angle. So the Igloo City, let's say this is Igloo City right here. You can reference this precise point by stating the radius. So the radius is 1, 2, 3. So this point would be at the radius of 3 and the angle is 45 degrees. In radians, that would be pi over 4. So you can, let's say you've got a point right here. You can reference this point here by stating the radius. The radius would be 1, 2, 3, and then comma. What is this angle all the way around here? Well, all the way around here is 180 degrees, known as pi. There, this point here, 3 comma pi, reference this point. Or let's say you've got this point here, right here. This point here would be, well, state the radius. The radius is 1, 2. And then what is the angle? The angle is 90 degrees, which is pi over 2. So this point here is given by this. So in the future, let's say if you're a city planner, and this is your city, you want to place your city at the center of everything. So you might want to use polar coordinates. Polar coordinates will suit it better. Or if you're in charge of a telecom mast, you might want to use everything in terms of the location of this mast. Your signal is strong nearer the mast. When it's further away, it's weaker. Or maybe you're in charge of an airport, and then all your planes, you can reference any point. Your plane could be over here. You can reference this point by stating the angle and stating the radius. 1, 2, 3. So all you need to do is state the radius and state the angle.